Sir, up to this it is very clear how to use int function, next a float function and a complex function. Now how to use bool function, just aware. Sir, I have one int value is there, sir, or I have float value is there, or we have string value is there, or complex number is there, sir. All these things I want to convert into boolean type. Regarding I want to convert into boolean type. For that purpose we have to use bool function. To convert, sir, the given number to boolean type. For that we should go for bool function, right? Sir, now how you can use this bool function? What are the rules are there? If the argument is the int type, float type, complex type, next the string type, what rules are there, sir? Take very special care about this one. Sir, bool int argument. Int argument, sir. If I pass int argument bool of, sir, 10 I am taking. Can you please tell what the answer? Very simple, sir. If the argument is 0, remember, if the argument value is 0, then false. Non-zero means true, sir. Please make sure whether it is the int type, float type, complex type, everywhere this rule is always same, sir. If the argument is 0, then it's always treated as the false, otherwise it is treated as the true, sir. Now bool of 10 is not 0, that's why what value we are going to get, sir? True. Next, bool of, sir, here just I am taking 0, sir. Oh, 0 man, 0 argument. 0 argument means what? False we are going to get. Remember this one, false. So non-zero means true, 0 means false. Let me cross check, have a look once, sir. Here I am taking bool, bool of 10. The answer is the true, sir. Bool of 0, false, sir. Bool of minus 10, yes, whether it is a positive number or negative number, man, is it 0 or not? Not 0, that's why true is the answer we are going to get. Clear, right? If you pass int argument, how the bool function is going to behave? Well, sir, same way, if I pass float argument, sir, rule is always the same, not required to keep any explanation. If the float value is 0, treated as the false, non-zero treated as the true, sir. I'm taking bool of 0.0. Float value 0.0. 0.0 is always what type? Float. 0 only. Its value is the 0. That's why what is the answer? False is the answer. Sir, bool of 0.1, sir. 0.1. 0.1, is it 0 or non-zero? Non-zero. Even it is a very small value also, but non-zero. That's why we are going to get true as the answer. Clear, right? Any explanation is required? Let me check this possibility also. Sir, bool of, here 1 minute. Here observe this. Bool of 0.0. Total value is evaluates to 0. That's why it is the false. False is the answer. Bool of 0.0001, sir. Very small value, but it's not 0. That's why true itself is the answer. Bool of minus 0.00001 I am taking, sir. Still it is the true only because it is not 0. So it is not 0, that's why it is the true. So clear, right? If the total value evaluates to 0, then it is always false. Non-zero, it is always a true, sir. Sir, next complex argument. Complex number argument, right? Complex argument, if you pass, sir, simple. Both the real part and the imaginary part, both are 0. Real part and the imaginary part, both are 0, then it is considered as false, otherwise it is treated as the true, sir. Very simple. Bool of 0 plus 0j. 0 plus 0j. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? False. Because the real part is the 0, imaginary part is the 0. Sir, except this, if for non-zero, sir, bool of 1 plus 0j, then automatically true is the answer we are going to get. 1 plus 0j, true is the answer, sir. If both the real part and imaginary part both are 0, then only false, sir. Otherwise it is the true. Let me cross check, sir. Here have a look once about this one. Bool of 0 plus 0j, false is the answer. False itself is the answer, sir. Bool of 1 plus 0j, 1 plus 0j, true itself is the answer. So both real part and imaginary part both are 0, then only bool function is going to return false. Otherwise bool function is always going to return so true, sir. Okay, well, sir, next fourth argument, sir, very important. Fourth argument, observe carefully. Here, if it is the string argument, sir, a bit dangerous, man, take special care. A bit dangerous, take special care. STR argument, right? What is the STR argument? Sir, very simple how the bool function is going to behave. If the string, sir, let me check here, right? Can you please tell bool of true I'm taking, sir? Bool of false I'm taking. Bool of yes I'm taking. Bool of no I'm taking. No I'm taking. Bool of empty string I'm taking. Have you observed? In the first case, what the answer? True. Second case, was string internally contain false only. String internally contain false only. What the answer we are going to get? Okay, most dangerous point. Several times we are going to use in the next classes also. Take a bit very special care. What the point is? What that point is? If the argument is empty string, if the argument is empty string, then only considered the false. If the argument is empty string, then it is considered the false. If it is not empty, it may contain true or false or Durga or yes or no. In all cases, we are going to get true as the answer. Remember this one. Even bool of false also, it will become true only if the string argument is empty string, then it is treated as the false. Sir, if it is not empty, then it is considered as the true, right? Any doubt about this one? Let me cross check here. Okay, sir, very simple. Bool of true I'm taking. What is the answer, sir? True, sir. Okay, bool of false I'm taking. Still the answer is the true only. Bool of yes I'm taking. Yes, still it is the true. Bool of false no I'm taking. Still it is the true only. Okay, bool of just empty string. Quotes open, quotes close. Empty string, sir. Empty string. What is the answer? False is the answer. If the string is empty, then it is the false. In all other cases, it is treated as the true only. I hope it is clear for all of you, right? So, how the bool function is going to behave? Very simple, sir. If it is the int argument, float argument, complex number argument. If the total value is 0, treated as the false. If it is not 0, treated as the true, sir. Okay, well. Next, in the case of string argument, if the string argument is empty string, then it is the false. Otherwise, it is treated as the true, sir. Clear, right? How to use bool function? Sir, up to this, we covered very clearly how to use int function, float function, complex function, and a bool function. Now the next ones are str function. What is the purpose of str function? If you have int value, or float value, or complex value, or bool value, if you want to convert this one to string type, then we require to go for str function. So from other types to string type, if you want to convert, then we require to go for str function, right? But take a bit very special care about this str function. Nothing, no big rules are there. Any conversion is always acceptable, man. Okay, no restrictions, no internal loopholes are there. Okay, here observe str of 10. Now I will get a 10, sir. Convert this 10. like 10 str of 0b1111 0b1111 into argument I am passing, but this int argument you are providing in which form? Binary form, but output is always going to come in decimal form only. Remember that it's always going to provide in decimal form only. Have a look once, observe carefully, right? Here just I'm taking str of 10, sir. str of 10 is the answer. str of 0b1111, like this I'm taking, still it is treated as the 15, right? Okay, same way the remaining cases also. str of 10.5, now it will become 10.5. str of 10 plus 20j, now it will become 10 plus 20j in string form. Okay, str of true, sir, it will become true in string style. str of false, now it will become false in string style, like. So now no rules, internal loopholes, any type to string type happily we can convert, no restrictions, right? Okay, have a look once the remaining also. str of 10, str of 10.5, yes, converting into string. str of 10 plus 20j, okay, have you observed, right? 10 plus 20j. str of true I'm taking, sir, true itself. str of false I'm taking, sir, then obviously false we are going to get. Okay, clear, right? So how to convert other types to string type? This is about string, this is the how to use str function, right? That's all. It's very clear how you can perform typecasting by using these Python's inbuilt typecasting functions. Clear, right?